After a great toy train journey from Ooty to Kunnur, we are now heading towards Dolphin's Nose.
We are here at Dolphin's Nose. You can take a horse also if you want. Lot of shops here to eat. Before entering also you will be charged. We gave 80 rupees for the car parking, and here again when you come here for individual you have to give according 40 rupees. This for the adult. The visibility is not great. It's quite foggy. Supposed to be the dolphin nose. Very overhyped, I guess. Nothing much. Only if it is clear we'll be able to see a good view. Now it is totally covered with fog. So nothing.
Has a crooked nose, by the way.
Dolphin has a crooked nose. Nothing is visible. Totally white.
Wait for some time.
বলুন আপনারা কোথা থেকে আসছেন? ত্রিপুরা থেকে. Okay, these people are from Tripura and we are totally disappointed with the dolphin's nose. I think it is overhyped, right? There is nothing here. কিছুই নেই.
ফগের জন্য আমরা কিছু দেখি
ফগের জন্যই আসলে কিছু
দেখা যেত সবই, কিন্তু ফগ থাকাতে আমাদের এত মানে লাগটা খারাপ।
তাও আজকে ভাবলাম এতদিন বৃষ্টি হওয়ার পরে একটু বোধহয় পরিষ্কার হয়েছে, রোদ উঠেছে,
কিছুক্ষণ ওয়েট করব, আধ ঘন্টা ওয়েট করব।
আমার মনে হয় না হবে,
মনে হয় না
যখন ওয়েট করেই যাই।
হ্যাঁ
দেখতে পাই
না কমবে এতগুলো ফগ।
প্রচন্ড ফগ দেখা যাচ্ছে, মনে হয় না হবে।
তবু আশা রাখছি যদি দেখা যায়।
হ্যাঁ সেটাই, টোটালি গেটিং ফিল্ড উইথ ফগ নাও।
There is nothing mostly.
Oh, there is no telescope. Yeah, you will get a telescopic view, but no telescope.
Get you on cameras.
It's totally white.
Cameras also they'll charge 250. And
Everything
1,000,
is
I think.
invisible.
It's too foggy.
That is the dolphin's nose from here. Nothing exciting as such. Only when there is a view, it's good. Otherwise, personally, I didn't like it.
Same here.
Just look at the tea estate. The nearby hills are totally green, and the fog is slowly coming in.
As the weather got worse, we decided to head back towards Ooty.
Here at Dodabetta Peak, we have to, I think, walk a little bit. I'll show you the way. Lot of shops selling woolens. See, both the sides are dotted with shops. You can see. That's the Dodabetta Peak View Tower. And this is the ticket counter. Pets are not allowed. There's a garden here. Let's see what's there. A lot of steps.
You have to go up.
Yeah.
Not much, but still.
And there's a viewpoint there. view. We are here at Toddabetta Peak, and that is the view there at the back. You can see. Nice cold breeze is there. Lot of people here. This viewpoint to take pictures. There's a pine forest just beside this peak also. This is it. This is the view. The view is good. But early morning, I think it's very good if you come to see the sunrise from here. It's quite cold. This is chili mushroom. This is tandoori mushroom. More is coming. Our plates are empty. We were so hungry. I forgot to click the pics. We just ate hungrily.
We just finished now.
Yes. Only. So what we had taken? We had taken
Dum aloo,
Kashmiri dum aloo. It was good. And we had taken butter tandoori roti.
Yes, butter.
And what else? That's it. Very simple lunch.
You should not eat much when you are traveling.
We are now going towards the chocolate factory and the tea factory. There on top that red building. We are here at Benchmark Chocolate Factory. We are going to go inside and see how chocolate is made. This is the entrance. There is a food court. There is another shop where you can buy
Sweaters,
Yes.
shawls, and
winter wear. And that's the parking. The white chocolate is good. Down there is Ooty. These are the tea leaves left here
drying it out.
for drying. Here for buying chocolates, so crowded. Rates are quite cheap and thing is good. We have tasted the chocolates and it tastes really good. You can buy from here. Now we are going towards the botanical garden.
ওইদিকে টিকিট কাউন্টার Left side.
Adult 100 rupees. Children 50. Camera 50 and video camera 100. Avoid 1 liter bottle. Fine is rupees 100.
কি আরে 1 লিটার বটল আছে তো আমাদের কাছে ও ওই প্লাস্টিক বটল চকলেট ফ্যাক্টরিতে কিরম করছিল ওই মহিলাটা
আরেকজন পেছনে আছে
customers in chocolate
জায়গাটা
factory were
জায়গাটা
crazy
খুব সুন্দর প্লেস ইজ ভেরি নাইস
no customers in the chocolate factory were crazy the खाना पहले है उनको
just look at the place
she's also turning so I also have to turn
This is the fern house. You can see all types of ferns here. It's a glass house. Colorful anthuriums. So many types and colors. Here are geraniums, different color. This is the Tibetan market of Ooty. You want to buy woolens, you can come here. This is also the parking. All fixed price.
fixed price it's written
Oh, it's all fixed price. No bargaining here. This is the rose garden. This is the rose garden. We went to the rose garden, but the person over there, we came to know that there are very few varieties of roses there. So we chose not to go because it would be really useless if we don't see any flowers there. So we are heading towards the boating house. See you there.
it's not a season
Yeah. If you want to go, if you want to visit the rose garden, it is better you come during the winter because you will get a lot of variety of roses at that time because that is the season for roses. So we are here at the Ooty Boat House. This is the entrance ticket counter. You can get tickets for ₹25 for adults, and this is the place. This is the parking. Lot of shops are there. So these are the speedboats. Place for you to sit. And this is the lake. That's the counter for pedal boat, where you can board the boat. These are the pedal boats. As you can see, there are a lot of shops. Haunted house also.
I want to go.
There are selfie zones here. Here, butterfly. Wings there. You can see the moon from here. The moon has risen. And this is the Ooty Lake in the evening. There are three ticket counters here. One for the pedal boat, one for the rowboat, one for the speedboat.
Yeah. There is also a children's play area here. Games arena arcade. 70 per person. Don't know whether the rides are chargeable separately or not, but it's 70 per person to get in.
There are places like this where you can stand and admire the lake and also click a lot of videos and pictures. This is the horse riding tariff. Half round 125, full round 250. Double rounds 500. Starters, we have chicken tikka, Logan ki machhi, chicken chettinadu. On this side we have Kobe 65, which is almost over. We're going to refill it. Burnt garlic noodles. Oh. Pasta, Parma Rosa. It's good. This side we have the paneer do pyaza. Paneer looks good, no?
Veg kali mirchi.
Veg kali mirchi.
Dal tadka.
Dal tadka.
Kerala style
Potato roast.
roast. I have my finger. It is very hot. The steam. Ouch. I want it. Khichdi. Nobody is eating it. Steam is building up.
And like yesterday we have
Rice.
We have
Veg pulao and
veg
normal
pulao
rice.
and normal rice.
White rice.
On this side we have today's
Mongolian.
chef's special Mongolian counter. What is there? Mongolian
Fried rice.
fried rice. Okay.
Here ice cream.
And this side is the dessert section.
Mango delight.
Mango delight, banana cake, chocolate pastries, badam puri. This is Black Forest, Gattu, and Atta halwa.
This is very healthy. Can try it.
And ice creams, which we don't have.
Because it's cold here. Shouldn't.
My plate for dinner today: pasta, potato, chicken, salad, paneer, and papad. That's it. This is the Sterling Local Restro Bar.
As the day turns to night, our Ooty trip also comes to an end. As we bid adieu to the Queen of Hills, we carry beautiful memories etched in our hearts forever.